Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So if power steering does not work on your Dodge Challenger, guys, the first thing you want to check is 3 fuses. If any of those fuses is bad, it can cause power steering not to work. Then we'll explain what else we see quite often in the garage. What we need to do, we need to come in a fuse box that's under the hood. Open the hood, you may have a V6, V8 engine, that doesn't matter. On the left side of the engine, on the passenger side, you have a fuse box. Press the tabs here, pull the cover up, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. For the power steering, guys, which fuses we need to check? If we come in this row of fuses here, that's fuse number 2, 3. Fuse number 3, that 60M fuse that you see right here, you guys need to check that fuse for the power steering. Then here it's 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Some of them may have fuse number 19 that you need to check, and after that you need to check fuse excuse me, that's actually 18, 19, because they go like that. That's 2 all the way to 16, that's relay 17, then 18, 19. So these 2 fuses right here, 3 and 19, will need to be checked. And then you need to, guys, check fuse 37, that's 39, 38, 37 right here. You don't have relay for the power steering, you have just these 2 fuses. Now if the power steering still doesn't work, in some cases, guys, okay, check the wires for the power steering motor, the electric motor, because actually, guys, they're underneath, and if you went under off-roading, something like that, you hit something underneath the car, it can cause damage or unplug the wires. Another thing, it could be bad power steering assembly, the rack and pinion. If you want to see how to replace one, we'll be making video on our YouTube channels for your convenience. So those are the most common things we see here at the garage. So, guys, this Dodge Challenger has all kinds of different fuses and relays. Those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. We'll, guys, put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some spare ones put in the glove box, because one time we needed a spare, we couldn't find one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.